Unparalleled premium 360 surround sound, comfort, safety, cleanliness, and great situational awareness. All in one, a dynamic combination of aesthetics and technology. You get it all with the BUGANI Lamborghini Open Ear B10 earbuds. The packaging is nice and strong and protective, and inside you'll find this elegant and strong package that holds your open ear buds. And it's also a charging case with a charging cable, and also you get a QR code, a user manual, and a quick guide. Oh, they're fast and easy to set up too. Just pair them with Bluetooth and you can wear them all day long. Available in 2 models, one that translates 40 languages and another 140 languages with 93 accents. They look and feel amazing and are dustproof and waterproof with an IPX rating of 5. So whether you want to listen to music or be able to take calls while you're exercising or while you're working, they are just perfect. They translate magnificently too, either face-to-face, where one person wears one and the other person wears one.
Estou muito feliz. Ele é muito saudável e muito lindo, graças a Deus.
He is very healthy and very beautiful. Thank God the whole family is very happy.
Wow, that's exciting, and congratulations to you and your whole family. That's great.
Uau, isso é emocionante. Parabéns a você e toda a sua família.
Or you can use them for pre-recording.
Hi, good morning to you. The record insert
Estados Unidos, conhecendo a cadeia
is in
produtiva
the air.
do grão. Nos últimos 10 anos, a área destinada ao cultivo de amendoim no Brasil cresceu em média.
A group of Brazilian peanut producers, researchers, and business people visited the United States to learn about the peanut production chain over the past 10 years.
One of the best features that I really love is that once you open the case and take out the earbuds, just slide them on your ear and boom, they're paired and ready to go. Connect automatically. Super easy and fast. And the app is called Ear Dance. Just download it and you'll be ready to go and fully impressed with its features. On the bottom of the BUGANI free B10 app, it has pre-recorded music for sleep, natural sounds, and relaxing sounds. And the third tab already has information about my account, the app version, my language of choice, user agreement, privacy policy, and feedback. It's a really well done app. The quality of these earbuds is amazing. Great technology in the B10 open ear earbuds from BUGANI. They have it all. Premium sound, ease of use, great appearance, and comfort for all-day use. With 10 hours of straight use before you charge them, you can put them back in the charging case and it recharges again for a total of 60 hours of use. They are superb for translations and travel. So whether you're at home or in the office or traveling, you gotta get a pair of these and you'll absolutely love them, guaranteed. Oh, and they make great gift ideas too. Until next time, I'm Frank George. Enjoy!